This water is so clear. Look at that. You can see the bottom. Here's the other dudes.
Awesome, isn't it?
Nadine, say hello. Nadine, is there something willst du was über dich erzählen?
No, not now. Maybe later.
Her characteristics, her character profile we won't get into. Here's, as we call her, Sue. Susanna. There's the grill.
Professional grill.
So we know what she's thinking about. She's ready to grill. Peter is ready for a beer.
Yes, I
Mr.
am.
Thomas, I don't know Thomas. Any characterizations about yourself?
Mocktail.
He's also
Auf
ready
Deutsch
for
kannst
beer.
du auf Deutsch. Oh, he's ready for beer. Okay. And there's me. You know me. I'm also ready for anything. I actually want to go swimming. We're gonna go over here and check out the view. Oh my gosh, it's awesome. The hills are alive with the sound of music. Wow. Oh, there's like, is that Glacier? Gletscher?
What?
Ist das Gletscher? Da oben ist Schnee.
Auf dem Berg?
Ja.
Da drüben?
Ge
Ja, Gletscher nicht, das geht schon noch weg.
Ach so. Ja, aber es ist schon August fast. It's
Da
almost.
hinten drinnen, auf dem Berg,
Yeah.
das ist Gletscher, ja?
Yeah, that's glacier right there. Snow. The weather was great, but now we have this strange dark line coming in. But yeah, this is incredible. That's all I can
See
say.
down there, this is Imst. This is Imst.
There's where I lived for the first half of my experience in Austria. I lived down behind that mountain actually. So that's Tiergant, oder? This is Tiergant.
This
Nah.
over there.
This is Tiergant.
Wait.
Right there?
Where's my finger?
There's your
This is Tjörgant.
Okay, now I know. Okay. It's amazing how cool this is, and I never even came here, and I lived in Imst for